Good morning, children. Hope you are all safe. I am Divya, one of your social studies teacher, and we are going to continue with the chapter India's Natural Resources, Soil and Forest Wealth. Soil, it is being taken by the Sajida teacher, you know that. So soil has been completed. Today we will be continuing with the chapter where the portion Forest Wealth is going to be taken. Forest wealth. When we are talking about the forest wealth, we should know what is forest, isn't it? What is forest? It is a large area of land covered with trees. Okay, so it is a large area of land covered with trees is called a forest. So it is a land area. It is a land area where trees can be found, and that area is known as forest. A forest is a natural home. A forest is a natural home. Natural means which is derived from the nature. It is not given to them by the human beings. Okay? From the nature or from the environment, they are getting all the facilities. So a forest is the natural home for many birds, insects and animals. You know, many animals and birds are found in the forest. So a forest is the natural home for many birds, insects and animals. And forests are rich in natural vegetation. Forests are rich in natural vegetation. So what is forest? A forest or it is a large area of land covered with trees. A large area of land covered with trees is known as forest. It is the natural home for many birds, animals and insects, and it is rich in natural vegetation. So now we should know what is natural vegetation. So forest is land area, whereas natural vegetation are those trees, plants and shrubs that grow on their own. There is no interference from the human beings. We are not planting any plants or trees. Okay? So it is growing by itself with the help of the nature. So natural vegetation are those trees, plants and shrubs that grow on their own without being planted by human beings. Alright? So what is natural vegetation? It is those trees, plants and shrubs which grow by themselves. സ്വന്തമായിട്ട് വളർന്നു വരുന്നതിനെയാണ് natural vegetation എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. It is not planted by the human beings. Now, for the natural vegetation or the trees to grow, they depend on certain factors. Which are the factors? Soil. They need soil to grow, right? Then the temperature. Temperature is needed. You might have heard about the photosynthesis and those things. So temperature is needed, and rainfall. And rainfall is required to grow. So the natural vegetation depends on the soil, the temperature and rainfall. Okay? So forest is a land area covered with trees, whereas natural vegetation are those trees which grows by themselves without any interference from the human beings. Now, the types of forest. Based on the trees found, forest can be divided into 5 types. But trees, ഏതൊക്കെ trees ആണ് കാണപ്പെടുന്നത് ഒരു particular area. On the basis of that, the forest is being named. Okay? So 5 types of forest is there. Which are they? Evergreen forest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, thorn forest and the tidal forest. Okay? So 5 types are there: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, coniferous forest, thorn forest and tidal forest. And today we will be studying only about the first 3, that is evergreen forest, deciduous forest and coniferous forest. So evergreen forest, evergreen, that means green throughout the year. വർഷം മുഴുക്കെ അത് ഗ്രീൻ കളറിലായിരിക്കും. ആ ഫോറസ്റ്റിനെ എങ്ങനെ കാണാൻ പറ്റും? ഗ്രീൻ ഇൻ കളർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ the trees in these forests do not shed leaves and are green throughout the year. So they do not shed their leaves. They might shed their leaves somewhat, but when we are observing the forest, it will be green in color. I will show you this one video. See, even though some leaves are being shedded, but the forest looks green in color. Okay, so as this forest looks green in color throughout the year, as leaves are there throughout the year, it is known as evergreen forest. Then the trees are tall and have broad leaves. The trees are tall and have broad leaves. Here in the picture you can see the tall trees are there. Tall trees and have broad leaves. നല്ല വലിപ്പമുള്ള leaves ആയിരിക്കും. So the trees are tall and have broad leaves. The important trees are rosewood, ebony and rubber. Okay, so you don't have to study all the points which are given in the textbook. Only 3 points will be enough. So which are they? The trees in these forests do not shed leaves and are green throughout the year. For which forest? For evergreen forest. The trees are tall and have what type of leaves? Broad leaves. Right. Then which are the important trees found in evergreen forest? It is rosewood, ebony and rubber. Mahogany is there. Different types are there. Okay. So here different types. Rosewood is there, mahogany, bamboo, ebony. These are the different types of trees which we can find in evergreen forest. Then the second forest is deciduous forest. These trees shed their leaves in summer. So in the picture you can see it looks dry. Flip. Dry ആയിട്ടിരിക്കുന്ന പ്രദേശമാണ്. So during the summer, when there is no rainfall, the trees will shed their leaves. Okay? So these trees shed their leaves when? During the summer season. And these forests occur in areas that have moderate rainfall. Moderate means not too heavy rainfall or not too less rainfall. നല്ല വലിയ മഴയുമല്ല എന്നാൽ തീരെ കുറവ് മഴയുമല്ല കിട്ടുന്നത്. In between. Okay, moderate means in between or medium ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്ന മഴ. So these forests occur in areas that have moderate rainfall. Then which are the main trees? It is teak, or we call it teak, sal and sandalwood. So the main trees are teak, sal and sandalwood. So what is the specialty of this deciduous forest? They shed their leaves during the summer season. So here you can see a man is sitting here. The dry leaves are there. So for during the summer season, for 6 to 8 weeks, the trees will shed their leaves. And we have the third forest, that is coniferous forest. You are familiar with the Christmas tree. It is triangular in shape. So it is a tree which we can find in the coniferous forest. So which forest is known as coniferous forest? The forest which is found in the mountainous region. These forests grow in mountainous regions. The trees have needle-shaped leaves. They have needle-shaped leaves and they bear cones in place of flowers and fruits. So they don't have any flower or fruits. Instead of flowers and fruits, they bear what? Cones. Their wood is soft. The coniferous forest or the trees which is found in these forests have soft wood. And the common trees found here are pine, pine, oak and cedar. Okay, so these forests grow in mountainous regions. The trees have needle-shaped leaves and they bear cones in place of flowers and fruits. Their wood is soft and the common trees found here are pine, oak and cedar. Okay. Here you can see this is the coniferous forest. See, needle-like leaves with cones instead of fruits and flowers. So spruces are there, then pines, fir. Okay. So these are the types of trees which we can find in the coniferous forest. So what have we learned today? We have learned about what is forest. No. What is forest? What is forest? It is the land area where the trees are found, and it is a natural home for birds, insects and animals. They are rich in natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? The plants and trees which are grown by themselves. It is not planted by the human beings. They depend on the soil, the temperature and rainfall. Then 5 types of forest are there: evergreen forest, deciduous, coniferous, thorn forest and tidal forest. Today we have covered the 3: evergreen, deciduous and coniferous. Evergreen forests, they do not shed their leaves and are green throughout the year. The trees are tall and have broad leaves. Examples or important trees are rosewood, ebony and rubber. And next is the deciduous forest. These trees shed their leaves during the summer season, and these forests occur in areas that have moderate rainfall, that is medium rainfall, in between, not too heavy rainfall, not too less. Then the main trees are teak, sal and sandalwood. And coniferous forest, these forests grow in which place? In mountainous regions. The trees have needle-shaped leaves and they bear cones in place of flowers and fruits. The wood is soft and the common trees found here is pine, oak and cedar. So can we do some exercise? This is fill up. You have to write in your notebook. Just choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one is, based on the trees found, forest can be divided into how many types? It is, yes, 5 types. Good. 5 types. Then second, an important tree that grows in the evergreen forest is, which one is it? Is it ebony, sal, coconut or mango? It is ebony. So ebony, mahogany, these are all the trees which are found in evergreen forest. So answer is ebony. Then, trees in the dash forest shed their leaves in summer. Which forest shed their leaves during the summer season? Very good. It is deciduous. Deciduous. Then the last question. The trees in dash forest bear cones. Which one is it? Yes, it is coniferous forest. It is coniferous forest. Okay. So these questions you have, it is there in your textbook. You have to write these in your notebook. Okay. So we have completed today's portion. Only 3 types of forest has been covered today. Alright. This is my number. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Thank you and God bless you.